Supreme Court will allow evictions to resume across the country. This ends a temporary ban put in place by the Biden administration. The changes could impact more than 3 million people who face eviction in the next 2 months. Today, a judge will decide if Florida's governor is allowed to ban mask mandates in schools. He's being sued by a group of parents who say their kids need protection because they're not old enough yet for the COVID vaccine. And IU Health is postponing half of all elective surgeries starting Monday. The delay should only be about 3 weeks. If you're impacted, look out for information from the hospital on rescheduling your appointment.
Later today, we'll get an update on COVID in Indiana from state health leaders. It's set for 1 this afternoon. We will be streaming that live on WTHR.com and our news app. And here's what we already know. Another 5,000 Hoosiers have tested positive for the virus. It's the second day in a row that we've seen numbers that high. The health department says 98% of these new cases are people who are not vaccinated. And as of this morning, the CDC says more than 600,000 Americans have gotten a third vaccine dose. Currently, booster shots are limited to people with weakened immune systems, but eligibility is expected to expand next month.
Well, that's good news for people like Lisa Edwards. She's had 2 kidney transplants and got her 3rd shot last week. But Lisa's stepdaughter, who donated a kidney to her, does not qualify for a booster. She tells us as soon as she's eligible, she'll get that booster shot.
I still wear my mask when I go out in public, just for the extra protection of other people that have not got the vaccine, but it did give me an extra boost of confidence. Hopefully I will not get sick or to give it to someone.
To me, I see it just kind of like the flu shot. You know, it's not going to prevent me from getting it, but it's going to prevent me from going to the hospital with it. You know, it's just a form of protection.
Booster shots will be available starting September 20th for anyone who received the 2-dose Pfizer or Moderna vaccines. Just make sure it's been 8 months since your 2nd shot before you get that booster shot.
So there's still a lot of places you can get your COVID shot if you still need one. So you text the word vaccine to this number on your screen, and then we'll send you back a link with everything that you need to know to get that shot.